Do you feel like you're drowning in AI tools that promise the world but deliver chaos? You're not alone. The problem isn't AI, it's how you're structuring it. Solo AI agents? They're yesterday's news. In 2026, it's the multi-agent swarms that are pulling ahead. Let me explain why this shift is not just a trend, but a necessity if you want to stay competitive. Here's the hard truth. Relying on single AI agents is like expecting one person to do the job of 10. Quite simply, it is inefficient and completely unsustainable. Multi-agent swarms, however, operate like a well-oiled machine, each agent handling specific tasks in harmony. These systems operate in perfect sync, moving data with precision. Let's talk consequences. If you ignore this shift, you're inviting bottlenecks and decision fatigue. More tools without a system just means more chaos. The real power of multi-agent systems lies in their ability to adapt and learn collaboratively. This isn't about adding more tools, it's about building an infrastructure that leverages AI's full potential. Think of it like this. A single AI agent is a soloist, while a multi-agent swarm is an orchestra. The harmony comes not from individual excellence, but from collective precision. Let's break down the common misconceptions. First, more agents don't mean more complexity. It means more specialization, and that means less manual intervention for your team. Second, it's not about AI replacing humans. It's about AI augmenting human capabilities, allowing you to focus on strategic decisions. Sticking with solo agents creates a massive hidden cost, mental load. Multi-agent swarms reduce this by automating routine tasks and enabling smarter decision-making. Now, what changes when systems are designed correctly? You gain leverage. Instead of being reactive, you're proactive. You solve problems before they escalate. Most operators misdiagnose. They focus on tools rather than infrastructure. The real game changer is in the sequencing. It is all about how these agents integrate and communicate with each other. If you ignore this for another year, expect more bottlenecks, missed opportunities, and operational fatigue. But if you embrace multi-agent swarms, you're setting up for sustainable growth. The future isn't about having the most tools. It's about having the right systems. This shift isn't just an upgrade, it's a strategic necessity. So, are you ready to rethink your AI strategy? It's time to move from chaos to clarity. Subscribe for more insights on systems and automation.